Namaskar. Your internal health always reflects on certain external parameters like hair, skin, and nails. They are the sign of your state of health, but sometimes our hair and skin get affected because of external factors like pollution and products with harmful chemicals. So, today I am going to give you a very unique and powerful technique which can keep your hair healthy and strong. And this method is called as back combing. Let's see how to do the back combing. Stand and bend down a little. Allow your head to hang loosely. Flip all your hair forward. Then gently run your fingers or thick tooth wooden comb through your hair from the roots to the tip. If you use oil during back combing, you can get more benefit. You can use oil like coconut oil, almond oil, or sesame oil. These oils are rich in nutrients that nourish our scalp and strengthen the hair follicle. When you massage oil on the scalp with your fingertips, the massaging action ensures that the oil penetrates deep into the roots. It provides nutrients directly where they are needed. Apply these oils generously into your scalp. You can also make the mixture of these oils. Apply this oil with round movement and then do the back combing. This will also reduce friction and allow smoother combing. Then you may use a gentle shampoo after half an hour to wash your hair after oiling and back combing. And now let us see the benefits of this unique hair massage. It will gently exfoliate your scalp and help to remove dry flakes and dandruff. This creates a cleaner environment for your hair growth. The rhythmic motion of your back combing will stimulate blood flow to your scalp. When you gently pull and massage and do your back combing, it has a relaxing effect and reduces the production of stress hormone cortisol. If you see around the world, different cultures have unique methods of taking care of scalp and hair. This is not just for the sake of beauty, but also for wellness. Among all these hair care rituals, back combing is very simple and easy. When you do it with proper intention and care, it will surely give you all the benefits for the healthier scalp and a stronger hair. Namaskar.